Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate with powder. First, gather your hot chocolate powder, milk, and any desired toppings. Next, choose your milk. Whole milk or a dairy-free option works well. You will also need a mug and a small saucepan. This simple preparation ensures a delicious, comforting drink every time. Let's get started on the perfect cup. Now, let's heat the milk. Pour 1 cup of your chosen milk into the saucepan. Place it over medium-low heat, stirring gently every so often. The goal is to warm the milk thoroughly without letting it boil. Look for small bubbles forming around the edges, then remove it from the heat. This prevents scorching and ensures a smooth base. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, we'll combine the powder and milk. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot chocolate powder directly into your mug. Pour in just a small splash of the hot milk. Stir this mixture vigorously with a spoon until it forms a smooth, thick paste. This crucial step helps dissolve the powder completely, preventing any clumps in your final drink. It makes a big difference. Now for the final steps. Slowly pour the rest of the hot milk into your mug, continuing to stir as you pour. This ensures everything is perfectly blended. Feel free to add your favorite toppings, such as whipped cream, mini marshmallows, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Serve your delicious, homemade hot chocolate immediately. It's the perfect treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.